What's the meaning of corrosive? Corrosive. Corrosive.
Corrosive. Corrosive. The term corrosive refers to a substance that can cause chemical damage or destruction to materials it comes into contact with. Corrosive substances can react with and deteriorate metals, plastics, and other materials. They can cause burns, irritation, and long-term damage to the skin, eyes, and respiratory system if inhaled or ingested. The result of exposure to a corrosive substance can be severe physical harm or even death. It is important to handle such substances with care and proper protective equipment to minimize the risk of harm.